Let's learn how to create this. First, add a circle. Make it center. Now, change the color as you want. Duplicate and make 5 circles with different colors. Make sure add all colors as same variation. And align it to center. Now, add some text to show information. Align them also to center. Add another circle and make it black. Add a text and rotate it. Make slide background also black color. Now duplicate the current slide. After that, select all shapes and texts and align them to left. Now, select both slides and add more of transition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.